Hello everyone, I'm Dexter L. Calma and today let's discuss about the hyperbola. So this is the definition of a hyperbola. A hyperbola is a set of all points P such that the difference of the distance from P to two fixed points, called the foci, is constant. The line to the foci intersects the hyperbola at 2 points, the vertices. The line segment joining the vertices is the transverse axis, and its midpoint is the center of the hyperbola. A hyperbola has two branches and two asymptotes. The asymptotes contain the diagonals of rectangles centered at the hyperbola's center. To get the correct shape of the hyperbola, we need to find the asymptotes of the hyperbola. The asymptotes are lines that are approached but not touched or crossed. These asymptotes are boundaries of the hyperbola. This is one difference between a hyperbola and a parabola. For the hyperbolas that open right and left, the asymptotes are y is equal to positive and negative b over a x. And for hyperbolas opening up and down, the asymptotes are y is equal to positive negative a over b x. Characteristic of a hyperbola and the center or origin. Equation: x squared over a squared minus y squared over b squared is equal to 1. Transverse axis, horizontal. Asymptotes: y is equal to positive negative b over a x, and vertices positive negative a 0. If the equation is y squared over a squared minus x squared minus over b squared is equal to 1, the transverse axis is vertical. Then the asymptotes is y is equal to positive negative the quantity of a over b x. Then the vertices is the quantity of 0 and positive negative a. The foci formula is c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. Diagram of hyperbola standard form. So this is the equation or the example of the hyperbola. This is the focus, then the vertices and the origin, center, co-vertices, the asymptotes, conjugate axis, transverse axis. Diagram of hyperbola in standard form. This red dot means this is the center. Then this green dot means the focus. Then this violet dot means the vertices. A means the conjugate axis, then B means the transverse axis.